It's the world's highest urban cable car system. High up in Bolivia's Andean metropolis, the cable car network has begun carrying its first passengers at a dizzying height of more than 13,000 feet or 4,000 meters above sea level. Excitement is already in the air. Some passengers can't seem to get enough.
I already went for a ride. The cable car arrives at El Alto in less than 10 minutes. I'm very excited. Our city of La Paz looks beautiful. The mountain illuminates, the snow. I'm very excited.
The new cable cars aim to offer a faster service than more traditional modes of city transportation. A typical journey of an hour and a half to 2 hours will now take only 24 minutes. With a price tag of $250 million, the hope is money will save time.